Ways to make money through affiliate marketing. With the increase in technology, luxury has increased. This has made it easy to cope up with the daily chores, but also has made life comparatively expensive. Are you worried about the increasing inflation? Is it getting difficult to meet the expenses? Stop worrying and start learning. I'm here with a very easy way which you can earn money from your home without any hurdle. But before we get started, I want to welcome you to Invested Knowledge. Knowledge is power, and I will teach you the most accurate, money-wise, and up-to-date tips, ideas, and tricks for you to start making money online. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, smash that like button, and turn the notification bell on so that you'll be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. And please leave a comment down below if you enjoyed it. And thank you very much for watching. Affiliate marketing is a very effective method to make money. It is a process through which you promote the products of different companies and startups. In return, they provide you with a small commission from each sale. Below are some ways through which you can make money using affiliate marketing. 1. Amazon Affiliate Program. Amazon's affiliate program is the biggest platform for affiliate marketers. There are numerous products in the Amazon affiliate program. However, this platform has a lot of saturation, so you need to spend more time and enhance your marketing skills. Amazon Associate Program has a number of extended benefits. Not only will you get profits from the products you sell, but also from the other projects too. You need to bring customers to Amazon, and Amazon will keep you happy. Amazon's algorithm is perfect. Amazon's cookie has the ability to remember a buyer for 24 hours. This means that if a buyer pings back to Amazon within 24 hours, you will get your commission. If you're a blogger, Instagrammer, or YouTuber, you must join Amazon's affiliate program. 2. Eventlink. This is another way to earn money through affiliate marketing. Both beginners and experienced affiliate marketers can take advantage of this platform. The company is functional for more than 10 years now. The co-founders of this company believe to provide quality products on the market. The automatic link generator helps newbies to generate affiliate links. Eventlink offers a number of third-party tools that will make it easier for you to generate sales. The best feature of this partner program is that you will get notifications of new deals. 3. Clickbank.com. The fundamental motive of this site is to connect different product owners with affiliate marketers. The best part about Clickbank is that it provides huge commissions. The commissions are around 75%. Clickbank managers make sure to set an appreciable rate with the product owners. This encourages digital marketers and content creators to stick to this platform. All you need to do is choose a good product from Clickbank and promote it on your digital platform. So what are you waiting for? Begin your journey today. 4. Flex offers. This platform has been specifically designed to provide marvelous opportunities to affiliate marketers and advertisers. It has a large number of functionalities for data delivery and payment processing. The platform offers millions of products, and it's the choice of affiliate marketers to choose the desired product for the digital platform. Flex Offers also provides a good environment to create good relationships with other marketers. 5. PPC, or paid per click. This affiliate marketing method is generally used by bloggers. This is a wonderful method to generate revenue, but it's highly competitive at the same time. Affiliate marketers are paid according to the activity on their websites. They are paid according to the clicks and impressions on their websites. Affiliate marketers join different partner programs, and they are paid accordingly to the regulations of the program. It may be pay per click, pay per impressions, or pay per lead affiliate program. 6. Pabbly. Pabbly is a remarkable affiliate partner program. It offers a recurring commission of 30% with a cookie life of 30 days. This platform is a very user-friendly dashboard, unlike many other partner programs. It has a single dashboard where you can monitor your sales. This will prevent you from the hassle of multiple dashboards. Pabbly provides huge commissions, and the minimum amount of commission you can get is around $1.83. 7. Unbounce. This is a customer referring partner program. Usually different brands like Zola and Monitor use this platform. This platform can provide you an opportunity to earn 20% profit. This will not only help you, but your site visitors as well. They will get 20% off in their first 3 months. Unbounce has a very user-friendly interface and it provides a custom dashboard. This dashboard will help you to monitor your progress and generate more revenue. Unbounce also provides a partner coach and special training to the affiliate marketers so they can grow. If you're a marketer who has an aim to help people grow their business, you must go for this program. It won't only help you to earn a hefty amount, but your customers will be satisfied as well. 8. Typeform. Typeform is a very informational platform. It offers surveys and forums to the readers. Typeform Partner Program is currently offering a 20% recurring commission on referrals. This service is not very expensive and your referrals can easily purchase it. This will boost your chances of sales. This is a very good option to generate sales. Suppose you bring 100 customers to this platform a month. You'll be able to generate revenue of $580. This is insane. So what are you waiting for? Just before we get to the last way to make money through affiliate marketing, please remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and make sure you subscribe to our channel. 9. Teachable. If you're someone who remains in touch with students, you can sell them useful online courses. Teachable provides a platform to sell online courses. This platform has a massive audience. It is highly endorsed by students and teachers. They post quality content and people love to buy courses to enhance their knowledge. The platform is currently giving a recurring profit of 30% along with 90 days cookie period. You can target a diverse audience. Teachable has courses about academic subjects as well as skill-based subjects. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like this video. We will keep on posting quality content to help you on your online journey. Stay consistent because digital money requires patience and perseverance. If you love similar content, please take a look at my other videos and stay tuned for future videos.